Now we'll see that, as you know, that how to make these images. Now where these images are actually being used. See, the first case, that is the object between O and F, this kind of ray diagram, it is used as magnifying glass. This ray diagram is used in magnifying glass. And when the object is at F, it is used in searchlights. This kind of image is formed in searchlights. And when the object between F and 2F, it is being used in projectors. As you all know that later in the modern technology, we are using projectors for studying also. So it is being used in the projectors. The object at 2F, it is being used in telescope, which you use to see the celestial bodies. And object beyond 2F, it is being used in a camera, which you take to click different pictures of different styles. And when the object is at infinity, you use it in as a burning glass. So these are the images and the uses of the convex lens. Now we will be taking up for the concave lens. As you know that concave lens is a diverging lens, and moreover we know that it has this thing, virtual focus also. You need to keep in mind when you are drawing figures for it. So if we now it's time to draw images for concave lens, but before we draw we should know about the rules also. So the first rule is a ray coming parallel to principal axis after refraction diverge but appears to pass through F. And the second rule is a ray that passes through O, a ray which is coming from O actually passes straight. So these are the two rules which you need to follow. So the images which we will be taking up for the concave lens, there will be only two images. One is object is at infinity, and the second one is object is anywhere on principal axis. So we will be taking only two cases, that is object is at infinity and object is anywhere on principal axis. So first we will draw a figure for anywhere on principal axis. So this is the lens, this is optical center F, 2F, we know that. So it's anywhere on principal axis, anywhere. So we see that a ray coming parallel, we will be using these rules. A ray coming parallel, we know it diverge but appears to pass through F. The second ray which passes through O, strikes at O, we know that passes straight. So it is meeting here. So this is our image. So this image is virtual but erect, within focus. Within focus means it is between O and F, and moreover we see that it is smaller, so we see that it is diminished. So every time the concave lens is going to form this kind of image, and when the object is at infinity, then we are going to draw that nature of image. So rays are coming from infinity. What happened? They just diverge because it is a diverging lens. So what happened? They are not meeting, but when we produce them, they meet at this point, and this is at F. So that means image is formed at F. It is virtual, erect, highly diminished, very small. So that means if somebody asks you about the lens which is always going to form virtual image and diminished image, obviously it is going to be a concave lens. So this is how you are going to draw images for concave and the convex lens. But before you draw, just go through the go through the rules first, because these are the rules which are very important, which you need to follow while drawing the ray diagrams. So this is what are the images.